Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can set affiliate settings in the affiliate module of Pabbly Subscription Billing. So for this, you will log in into your Pabbly Subscription Billing account, click on Affiliates and go on Affiliate Settings. So the first thing that you have to set is the general settings, and we'll discuss each of the settings in the video. Like this affiliate signup URL is auto generated if you have set up the client portal. So it is very important to set up a client portal before setting the affiliate module. So to set up client portal, you can simply go on settings, client portal, and you can set these details. And if you find anything confusing, we have a different video on that. You can go through that. So we'll go back to the affiliates tab in our Pabbly subscription billing account and click on affiliate settings. Then we have the general settings, and this affiliate sign up URL is going to be used by your customers to become your affiliates. So this is gonna look like this. They'll have to enter their first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, and they have to agree to all the terms and condition to sign up for the affiliate program. Now we'll go back and see the other settings, like you have to select the cookie validity. And for example, if you choose 15, so for 15 days, the books are going to be stored in the buyer's browser. This helps in tracking the sales via affiliates. And we'll move forward for some other settings, like we have to decide if all customers will be affiliates or not. So if you want to allow it, you can keep yes, and if not, then no. And then you have to select auto approve affiliate request. So if you disable it, you'll get request of people to become your affiliate, and you'll get the request in this section. I'll show you later. And for now, I'll enable it. And then you have to select the payment methods that you want to offer to your affiliates for receiving the commission. For example, if you select PayPal, then they'll only be getting the option to receive payments through PayPal. But if you want to allow bank transfer too, so they can enter their bank details in the client portal, then you can pay to them with the help of bank transfers. But if you want to allow both, you can do that as well. But for now, I'll just keep it PayPal. And then you have to select the PayPal account through which you want to pay out. So this is for your account. If you have multiple PayPal account, you'll get the list below, and you have to choose the one that you prefer to pay through. So for now, I'll choose this PayPal account, and then you have to select the payout type. It can be instant or manual. In instant, automatically as soon as the commission is generated, the commission will be sent to the PayPal of the affiliate that helped in making the sale. And in manual, the commission will be recorded, then you'll pay it manually whenever you want. And here you can paste the URL of the terms and condition page to become the affiliate, and this is gonna be showing here, and it will become a hyperlink. This section is gonna become a hyperlink through which your affiliates to be can access the terms and condition page. So there is one important thing to highlight here, that instant payout is not gonna work in the case of bank transfers, because to transfer money in bank, you need to do it manually by filling the bank account details of your affiliates once they provide it through the client portal. So once you have made your settings, you can simply save it and it will be saved. Now we'll set some commission rules. We'll click on commission rules and click on add commission rules. So by commission rules, we are going to decide how much commission do our affiliates get for the products that they are referring to the other customers. So we'll set the commission rule as, this is one of my commission rule, and then I have to select the product for which I am assigning this rule. So I want it for all my products, and plans, I'll be choosing all the plans, and then I have to select the affiliates that I want to associate with this commission rule. So I want this rule for my all affiliates, but if you want for specific, you can do that as well. And then you have to decide whether you want to apply the commission to the subscription amount only or to the order total including the setup fee. So subscription total is add-ons plus the plans amount. So it totally depends on you, and you can choose your preference. Then you have to select the commission for the first payment. It can be in flat or percentage. Then you have to select the commission for recurring payments. So for example, a lot of people do this, that they offer 50% commission for the first payment, then 30% recurring payments for each month or whatever the duration is. So in my case, I want my affiliates to get a 50% commission in the first payment and then 30% 5% commission for the recurring payments. So I'll do this and then we can save the settings. So once we have saved, so our commission rule is set. And if you want to set different commission rules for different products, so you can do that. Also, if you want to set specific rules for a particular affiliate, for an affiliate who is helping you make a lot of sales, then you can set some rules just for him by choosing this option and choosing his email address. So this is how the commission rules in Pabbly Subscription Billing's affiliate module work. If you have any questions, let us know at admin@pabbly.com.